What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be going hygiene shopping at Target. I am so excited because I have not been in such a long time. So you guys are going to come with me to get all of my hygiene goodies. But first, I do want to mention that this is a sponsored video. So I want to thank Teddy Blake for sending me this amazing purse. Like, look at this purse. It is just beautiful. It's like a perfect shade of blue, and they have so many other purses that you guys can choose from, and so I will put it in the description box below. So make sure that you guys check it out so you can see all the different bags they have. But without further ado, let's get into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you guys, I am in Target now. So the first section that I will be looking at is the soap section because I need some bar soap and some body wash. So that's what we're going to be looking for. So here is the soap right here. And they actually have Method Body because I feel like for the longest time, everything was just gone. This is definitely one of my favorite ones, Wind Down. If you want something that's like a peaceful scent for nighttime, that is great. This is actually the only one I've tried, but I've heard good things about this one as well. So here are all the different ones that they have. I've never seen this one before, Magnolia. I wonder if this is new. But they definitely are stocked up today, which is nice. They also have Native body wash, and I have been wanting to try it because I've heard good things. This one is just calling my name, coconut and vanilla. Like, I feel like it probably smells amazing. So we're gonna see what this one smells like. So this is the coconut and vanilla. I actually don't really like the scent of this. Like, I thought I was gonna love it, but I don't. They do have cashmere and rain, so we're gonna see what this smells like. This one I like. This one smells very refreshing, so I may get it, but it's not like one like I'm amazed by, but this one does smell pretty good. Right here they have a Dove, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So I do want to get some body wash. So the one that I've been hearing good reviews about is this Deep Moisture one. I've heard really good things about this one. I want to get the sensitive skin and bar soap. So right now I'm just looking and just seeing which one I want to get. But what it's looking like is the Deep Moisture. So I wonder if I should get this one or like the big one, just so it can last longer. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and just get a big one because I'm tired of running out of body wash so fast. So now I'm looking at the bar soap. What I usually get is Ivory, but lately I've not been feeling this. This body wash, do not get it. Like, I've tried it. As I kept on using it, it's very scented. It is not the same as the bar soap. The bar soap I like, the body wash definitely not. So the bar soap that I'm gonna get today is the Dove Sensitive. This one is great, of course, if you have sensitive skin, and so you can use it in more sensitive areas. So that is why I'm going with that one. For the body washes, I can do scented stuff because I don't use it everywhere. But for my bar soap, this is what I use first as my base soap. So I definitely want to grab something that is for sensitive skin. They do have a lot of other options. So they do have the original one, and they do have different sizes. So like down here you can get the count that has less, but I figured I might as well just go ahead and get the 12 count because soap goes fast. So it's just better sometimes to stock up. But if it's like your first time trying things or you're traveling, you can definitely get the smaller ones. They also have some other ones over here. So they have a gentle exfoliating one, a pink one, a cool moisture one. I love the cucumber one. Like, I haven't tried the bar soap, but I've tried the liquid soap and I love it. Shea butter sounds really good for the winter time, so I may try that on later on when it gets colder. So I also need some Dr. Bronner's because I ran out of it. And of course, this is the one I get. This is the Baby Unscented, but they do have some other ones. I just like it because it's good for sensitive skin. Sometimes all the scented stuff I don't want to use, but this one I can use pretty much everywhere, and it gets your body nice and clean. Here are all the other ones they have. So they actually do have bar soap. I have never tried their bar soap. I feel like for $5 I might as well just get the big thing and let that last longer than some bar soap, because bar soap can be gone in a few days. This will last you a good amount of time. But let's see which ones they have. So this one right here, which one is this? So this one right here is hemp rose. Over here they have hemp tea tree. Right here is hemp citrus. So they definitely do have a lot of different ones. Hemp almond. So they have a decent amount. This one is peppermint. I've seen people use this, but usually what I see is people just using the baby unscented. I don't really see people use too many of the other ones, but let me know in the comments section below if you tried any of the other ones besides the baby unscented. So now I'm looking at some skincare. I've seen this on TikTok, people getting the pimple patches, but they're actually in stars, which I think sometimes is like a little cuter than just wearing a regular pimple patch. I have tried these recently. I do like the mighty patches. I feel like these actually do work. I don't know if these work or not. I wanted to try it until I looked at the prices. Like, maybe which one is $5.99? Like, it must be, I don't know which one is $5.99 because they're kind of like all out of order. I would assume it's this one, but this is just pore strips, which is not what I want. I would want pimple patches, but for these prices, I think I'll wait. I think I'll just continue using my mighty patches. So now I am in the lotion section. So this is the lotion that I love, Eucerin Advanced Repair. I'm about to run out, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that. But they also have a daily hydration one as well, and some other products over here. So this one is the Advanced Repair Cream, and they have a little one as well. So Eucerin is definitely a great brand. I feel like all their products are pretty good for the most part. If you have like dry skin, definitely try out this. I also love Nivea. This was what I was using before Eucerin. I feel like this one is a really good one too if you have dry skin. It's very moisturizing, as it says intense healing. It is 72 hour. They also have some other ones. I've never tried this, but they do have a skin firming hydration one, which seems interesting. I wonder if that like actually works. And over here they have Vaseline soothing hydration. I wonder, sometimes when it's like not too much here, I think like, oh, maybe it's good because maybe people are grabbing it, but it may not mean that. But Vaseline is usually a good brand. I mean, typically I just get literally Vaseline, but I've never tried their lotion, but it probably is good. If you are a fan of coconut scents, I would definitely recommend this lotion by Love Beauty and Planet. I love this lotion so much. I still actually have a little bit left, but I am running low. It's a nice summertime scent, but honestly, I'm going to use it throughout the whole year. I also have this one as well, Tropical Bliss. Smelling it when I was in Target, it smelled amazing, but actually putting it on the body, I feel like it could be a little bit stronger. Like, I feel like this one I can smell, but this one to me doesn't last as long. So in this section, there are products that is just only at Target. So I really like the packaging of it. I guess it's pronounced, how is this pronounced? I don't even know. Frenchy, I don't know. I do not want to try, but it looks cool. Like, but the prices are a little high. But have you guys tried this? Let me know, because I kind of am tempted to try it just because the packaging looks nice. Like, look at this. This just looks cute. Like, I want to try it, but everything just because it's expensive does not mean it's good. So let me know in the comment section below if you tried this. So now I am in the oral hygiene section. I need some more mouthwash, and today I'm going to try a different one to see if I can find something that's better, because I've tried the Thera Breath one that's in the green packaging, but it's such like a light mint feel. I need something that's more minty, so I'm going to look at the other ones that they have. So this is the one that I've tried, mild mint, because everyone and their mama was using it, but I honestly just didn't like it that much. So the one that has more of a minty feel is this one, the invigorating icy mint and the rainforest mint. I think I'm going to go ahead and try the blue one and see how I like it, and I would definitely let you guys know if I like this one or not. If you want a cheaper option, this mouthwash is pretty good and it's only $1.79. So this is the antiseptic mouthwash, which works pretty well. Listerine is also a good brand, of course. So I know Thera Breath is a little bit expensive, so if you want a cheaper option, I'll definitely suggest these two. Now I am looking at the deodorant section. This deodorant right here, I love this deodorant. This is the Degree Ultra Clear 72-hour one. This one will keep me fresh all day, because some other ones, I don't know, they just don't work, but this one definitely does work. And I've tried like some of the scented ones as well. So if you want a deodorant that works pretty well, I'll definitely suggest this. They also have a lot of other ones. They have Secret down here. I don't know, Secret for me just does not work. Maybe it's the ones that I've tried, but like the powdered ones, they just do not work for me. I feel like it does not last, but maybe the other ones up here do. But I feel like it's just about finding what works for your body. Over here, they have some Dove dry sprays. So right here, they have lavender. They have Original Clean right here. This one, I smoked this one off camera. It smells pretty good as well. This is Nourish Beauty. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try one of these. They have a Karen coconut one. So they definitely have a lot to choose from. So over here is the shaving section. I do need some more shaving cream. I do like the EOS one. So the one that I've tried before is the lavender, but maybe today I'll switch it up and try a different one. So you guys, I actually decided to go with this one, the sensitive skin one, because I definitely have sensitive skin. So we're going to see if this makes a difference. So the price difference isn't too bad. The regular one is $3.79 and this one is $4.49. So we're going to see if it makes a difference when it comes to shaving. So I am excited to try it and I hope it works, because it's almost $5. So I really hope it works. So you guys, this was my first time actually smelling their perfumes, and the ones that I like are these two. So this one is the Glass Rose and this one is Vanilla Bourbon, and it is a really good price. It's $10. The thing is, we're gonna see if it actually lasts. So we're gonna see, but all of these do smell really good. They have a lot more too. So they have coconut here. This one says Wood Elixir, so you can definitely check out Target for some perfumes. And they have more down here. I did not smell these, but they do have a good variety. So you guys, I got everything that I need from Target, so I'm going to go ahead and head home and show you guys everything that I bought. So you guys, I am back at home and it's actually the next day, but I want to show you guys everything that I bought from Target. So starting off with the soap, I got the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soap. I got the 12-pack just so it can last a little bit longer. I also picked up a Dove body wash. So this is the Deep Moisture one. This is actually my first time trying this one out, but I have heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I'm excited to try it. I just went ahead and got the bigger version just so it can last a little bit longer as well. Next, I got the Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented. I have been using this for a while now. If you haven't tried it yet, you are missing out. This would get your body so clean. Like, of course the body wash and the soap gets your body clean, but something about this at Dr. Bronner's, it would get your body squeaky clean. So if you want that just extra clean feeling, I would definitely suggest getting this. They do have other versions. They have the bar soap and they also have a smaller version of this. I just went ahead and got the big version because I use it all the time, so I want it to last. Next, I got some lotion. So I went with the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. This one is great. It gives your body just a nice glow, and I do break out on my body, and this one doesn't really cause any breakouts. So if you do suffer from body acne, I would definitely suggest using this. It is a great lotion to have. I also picked up a scrub, and I am so excited. I got the Tree Hut Coconut Lime Scrub. I've never tried this before, but it smells amazing. I have tried a lot of other Tree Hut scrubs, but not this one. But the smell, I was a little nervous because coconut lime to me is like, how is that going to smell? But it smells very good. If you like tropical scents, I would definitely recommend trying this out. Moving on to deodorants, I got the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. This is Nourish Beauty. It says it should last 48 hours. We will see about that. I have noticed dry sprays for me do not really last if I use it by itself. So what I like to do is use my regular deodorant and then I add the dry spray onto it just to get like that extra hold in there. And this one just smells super clean. So if you like clean smells, I would definitely recommend it. I'm trying to let it focus more, but the sunlight is just hidden right now, but you guys can see it. The next thing I got is some shaving cream. So I got the EOS Shave Better Sensitive Shave Cream. So this is what it looks like. I have never tried this one, but I'm super excited to try it. It was a little bit on the pricier side, but the reason why I wanted to get a sensitive one because I do want to use it downstairs. So I'm hoping that would give it a nice smooth shave and cause less razor bumps. So we shall see if it will do that. Moving along to oral hygiene, I got some mouthwash. I got the Thera Fresh Breath Oral Rinse in Invigorating Icy Mint. This is what it looks like, and I have not tried the Invigorating Icy Mint. I have tried the Mild Mint, and I liked it, but I just wanted a mintier feel. So I'm hoping that this will give that, but Thera Breath definitely does help keep your breath a lot fresher than some other mouthwashes that I've tried. So I'm excited to give this one a shot. The next item I picked up is some perfume. This is my first time trying perfume from Target, so I'm excited. This is the Mix Bar Perfume. This is in Vanilla Bourbon, and it's actually hair and body mist. So I'm gonna be spraying it on my braids, on my body, just so I can smell like a vanilla cupcake, basically. But I'm excited to try this out. I feel like this is a nice scent for fall as well. And it gives me like grown and sexy vibes. I feel like a lot of times I just like smelling like very sweet and floral. So this is kind of mixing it up a little bit. Vanilla does have like still a sweet smell to it, but to me it's just giving more grown and sexy vibes. So I'm excited to try this. The last two items that I got are just some cotton swabs. So this is what it looks like. This is actually the Target brand, and this is a 500 count. So this should last me a long time. And I also got some cotton pads, as they say though, cotton rounds or whatever. This is Target's brand as well. I like to use this for my makeup, so I'll put on my makeup remover on here and then I'll just remove my makeup. But you can use this for other things too, but that's what I use it for. And then the cotton swabs, I like to use it to clean my ears, but also sometimes I use it to clean up my makeup as well. So that is why I got these two items. All right, you guys, that is the end of this hygiene shopping and hygiene haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got a lot of things from Target. The bill was a little bit hot, but it will be worth it. Also, do not forget to check out Teddy Blake, and thank you guys for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye.